topic today is the 5th of June around 6:20 p.m. Eastern Times, and today we're gonna take a look at Microsoft and the beautiful Elliott Wave structure that is presenting. This is in Elliott Wave a typical 5-week advance. It's nothing more than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that makes 1 in the higher degree, a 3 waves back that makes 2, then a wave 3, which also subdivide in 5, a wave 4, and another 5. After that, the market will retreat in 3 weeks, and another cycle will start again. I want you guys to notice that there are 3 different degrees here. There is the one in black, the black with the one with the blanket, and the one with the cycle. There are 3 different degrees of the trend, but the main idea is that there is 3 cycles of 5 weeks to the upside, 2 against the trend, and that the wave 4 cannot penetrate the area of the wave 1. This is the typical most popular patterns of Elliott Wave. Microsoft is giving us something very technical, very technical, very well defined in his grand super cycle structure. And if we take a look at Microsoft right here, this is Microsoft in the monthly chart. I'm gonna contract the chart a little bit, and you guys gonna be able to notice now with the contraction that this is the beginnings here. This is the 0 line, and it's very visible right here that Microsoft is showing a 1, a 2, and we are within the powerful wave 3 in Microsoft. Microsoft at this stage, like every world index, is ending the cycle from 2009 lows. This is a cycle which is, if we look and we explain over here and we present to you guys the chart of, let's say, the SPY, the SPY is technically a copy of the Microsoft structure. This is the SPY in the grand super cycle monthly chart with the same structure, 1, 2, the 2009 cycle, and we are in the way ending the 2009 cycle. If you compare SPY to Microsoft here, there is an enormous difference or a big difference between the two of them. They look identical. If I overlaid one in top of the other, you guys will be able to see that they are, it's obvious it is the same oscillation at the same charts. As everybody knows, in Elliott Wave Forecast, we believe in something that we call the one market concept. In other words, that the market works as a whole and that everything related in cycles, in directions, in first or second degree, but everything needs to make sense as a whole. So SPY and Microsoft are identical. The only difference is that if you notice here in Microsoft, when you measuring the wave 1 related with the 2, Microsoft already passed the 112.51 area, which is the 1.618 extension of 1 related with 2. If we take a look over here, that's in Microsoft. If we take a look in SPY, that level has not yet been reached, which is 318. So Microsoft is confirming to us that this is an impulse, and that today we are at levels that we laboring like an extension within the wave 5. The main reason is first the extension, second that Microsoft do not trade only by himself. Like I say, we look at the market as a whole, and if I gonna overlay, for example, Tesla, right? Tesla In Microsoft, if I'm going to overlay Tesla in Microsoft over here, Tesla Tesla is from the peak over here. Tesla is trading within an extension. In other words, it's trading within areas in which a bounce will take place. Look at the beginning of the cycle here. Look how they trade together into the highest. So I'm expecting Tesla to bounce. And I believe that the bounce in Tesla is gonna generate an extension in Microsoft and also will generate an extension in SPY. Our recommendation is that even though seems like looks very technical, that even from 2009 low over here, we can see 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, and 5 from 2009 is a visible 5 waves. If I open the chart a little bit and I add the monthly RSI, the last highs over here already comes with a tremendous divergence. These highs over here, I can count it completed in 5 waves. But when I look at the other market participant like BABA, like Tesla, like the Dow Jones, I believe that Microsoft, it will extend, and consequently we're gonna see extension within the wave 5 over here. Our recommendation is wait for Microsoft to present 7 wave from this peak in the short cycles and buy Microsoft again into a multi-month cycle against the lows that took place at right here in December, which is technically the same lows that it took place right here in SPY. So Microsoft, it will extend because Tesla will bounce. Microsoft, it will extend because Tesla will bounce. Microsoft, it will extend because BABA will bounce. And that is a unique opportunity that can make traders to gain out of the market for the next few months. So even though we already had 5 waves within this cycle, and within this cycle we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, we believe that extension within wave 5 it will take place. I'm gonna downgrade it a little bit now, and I'm gonna put to you guys the daily chart. I'm gonna open the chart right here, right? I'm gonna downgrade it, and I'm gonna open it so you guys are able to understand the idea. Microsoft, very technical right here, is bouncing, very technical, is bouncing. After the new all-time highs, Microsoft dropped in 3 waves to our blue box area, which comes over here. Based on the participants across the market, we believe that Microsoft will do something like this. We do not like selling because their long side is the right side. But if Microsoft, by the end of the summer, is able to do a 7 swing structure into the areas around 112, which is going to be the 50% pullback right here of this cycle, we would like to buy it against the lows of December 27. This is very technical. This is a math that every single instrument across the world is following. And this is an opportunity that can take the loans from around 112 into the November, December of 2020, and it can result in a very profitable trade. But having said this, this is our view in Microsoft. a very technical trade, very well correlated with world indices and every single stock, and something that it is amazing technical. If you like the video, as always, we invite you guys to take out of our 14 days trial. It is free, no commitment. You can take the trial here at Elliott Wave Forecast. It's free for 14 days, no payments, and you like it, you're gonna learn how to trade the blue boxes and be in the right side of the market. Hope you enjoy the video. See you guys around. Have a good night, everyone.